Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here with the Massey. I want to show you it moving. I was going to do it, but Dad's doing it now, so let's just show you. So he's moving the flywheel, and as you'll be able to see, I need to go the other side because of the light. Is this light going to work? Hang on guys, I'll put some light on it. There we go. You'll be able to see. Get some better light on there. That they are well and truly on the move now. Don't know how well it's showing out on the camera. So they're constantly moving. So you say they are still a bit seized?
Seized on the bottom.
On the bottom.
Piston.
Yeah.
Get some GT85 and put down all of them. Just a little squirt of GT85 all the way around there.
Oh, hang on, you've drained a lot of the diesel out.
If there's any rust we can clean out. Need
the nozzle really, but I ain't got it.
Yeah, just spray it around it.
I'll just spray it in there. It's not even spraying that well, I think it's all stuck. This is to lubricate it a bit more. So G85, basically WD-40. Brilliant stuff. And just spray a load in these. Help free it off a little bit more. So we've still got diesel in that bore there. And tiny bits in the other ones. So this one here, this third one here. This one was the one that basically completely drained out before Dad started playing around with it. So we're getting there. It's just we're leaving it down to time rather than rushing it. Give it time to soak in a bit more, and then we'll work taking some more rot out. So as I was just saying about wire brushing them down a bit more, let that soak a little bit longer, and then we've got the drill with the wire brush on. We saw us with that before. So just to recap what we're doing there with that flywheel, putting a metal bar on the teeth in there, and that's spinning and moving the pistons in the engine. Next job is to drain out all the diesel down the bores. Of course, Dad would start the Ford up while I'm recording. I'm just cleaning it all out. When am I going to get rid of it? Oh God. Squeeze it all down here, I think. I think he's taking that out for a run. Okay guys, so the next step is a drill with a wire brush attachment on it. And what we're going to do, let's excuse some dodgy camera angles, is we are going to run it, I don't know if we get enough light down here, in these bores. You have to excuse the light, we are in the barn. So we're going to run it in here like this. The idea is we are smoothing off the rust around the side of these bores. So when they come up, they need to be nice and smooth. We've already done this before once, but I need a bit more just to get them a lot tidier. That diesel would have helped. When we did it last, it was when they were still freshly opened with the head off. Let's have a look at that one. I can see it, I think. Yeah, I don't know if it comes up on the camera, guys, but just in. Oh, I can't get it in deep enough. Is that light going to help? Just in them bores slightly. Smooth them all off. feel of that one. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. I wonder if we can stand this GoPro somewhere. Hang on, guys. Let's try stand you guys up a bit, because I'm just bouncing you around everywhere. It's not the easiest of place to put a GoPro, is it? I don't think it's going to work. You're going to stick there for me, guys. I don't know what you can see. No, because I can't even do that one. I can do that one. There you go. That's fine. Oh, you know what's happening now? The battery's drying on the drill. Right, let's go and change that battery. So, about 20 minutes later, still going. I changed the battery, and this bore here is still really rough in one side. Just kind of smooth it off. Might have to get in there by hand and do it. The bore number 1, which is there, you can't really see in the dark, absolutely fine. That one's perfectly clean now. So just gonna keep working on this one, and when she's done, I'll go back along the line. There's a bit rough there in that one, and there again in that one. It's the same area roughly, quite high up. So we'll just keep going like this until it smooths up a bit. Right, let's go to this camera a minute, guys. Okay, next step, because obviously there's only so much wire brushing you can do, is to get some sandpaper. So I'm using some 1200 wet and dry. I'm just going to keep working on smoothing down these areas of these boards that are a bit rotted. They're not rotted, but they're just a bit hard. They're not smooth. So we just want to smooth them off as best as we can. Oh yeah, that's doing it. That's definitely working. I'm not a stranger to sanding. I used to do a lot of car wheels. We used to have refurbed a couple for Dad when he used to do cars years ago. Refurbed about 3 or 4 for him. Sprayed, obviously refurbed and sprayed my partner's ones. Messed around with the ones on my Focus ST years ago. It's just, oh, and obviously I used to spray all the engine bay covers as well. So literally, like on most cars I've had, like the engine bay covers, I've ordered them all, sprayed them up different colours. So on the ST they were bright orange. Oh, I had some fun doing that in the sun. That was like a whole day of just pure 20 odd degrees sun, sanding away, painting. It was brilliant. I did some on my Sleeker, but I need to keep it as original as I can. And plus, there were spare covers anyway. I picked them up, went on a nice little journey somewhere and bought my exhaust. And the guy had spare engine bay covers, so I bought all of them off him. And some other bits. But I've done a couple and then just gave up on it. So I'm just going to put the originals back on and keep it as original as I can, because it's only done 30,000 miles anyway. So, which is nice. Keeping as low miles as we can, so she's just our sort of use as we want to car, which we probably will use it tonight actually. Battery's died after 3 years of a new battery on there, so need to change the battery on it. I'm going to put the charger on it first. We've got a charger, see if it charges up, and if not, then yeah. Yeah, see, that one's still a bit rough and ready here. It's got a ring around it. That's where the piston would have been stuck. You can see the line. That must be where they were stuck then. Honestly, I can't remember, guys. It was so long ago. We've had this good half a year now. And obviously, I lost a lot of time with the drain fall, and I've had my daughter. I've been doing other stuff. So, busy. And now we're back onto it. Get it done. Get it up and running. That is the goal. Oh, there's that shit that was in there. Get it up and running. I might go back to the wire brush in a minute. Right, let's go back to the wire brush again. Let's put our Sandpaper out the way. Keep running that in them. So I've got to now pack up for the night, but we've got these boards. Oh, mate, I really need like a strong torch all the way down to the bottom now. These pistons have gone all the way down to the bottom, and these ones here right at the top there. So the problem we was having before is they were getting stuck and they weren't moving all the way that they should. Now they're completely at the bottom, and these two are completely at the top. So I've put some stuff down there again, and when I get back onto it, it may feature in this video. It might be in our video. We'll see. Depends how I get on. We will show you how we are. Generally speaking, we think she's going to go. We think she's going to run. So I'll get down to clean these liners a bit more, and we'll go from there. There's a cat. Just in a cat. Where is it? There is it. Sheepdog. Got ya. What are you doing? Right, so I'm going to cover her up. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in our next video. Take care.